it's me Pro Player again, and today we're exploring the new things in Chicken Gun. Wait a second, what's that noise? That's a frog. Whatever, let's get started. So the first thing new is in this suits. You can notice that we got some new suits. Let's see all of them. Nice. And next is in the mobs. We got 2 mosquitoes and a crab. I can't believe there's more. Backpacks. Look. New backpacks. What's your favorite backpack? My one is the red barrel. So next is in the eyes. You can see there are many new eyes, especially these cartoonic ones. I kind of like them. Now next is in the beaks, I think. Yes, it's a Huggy Wuggy mouth, but with 2 teeth only. And this is a small one. This is a Huggy Wuggy mouth, but with no teeth. What is this? Beards. Ooh, snowman nose. Cool. Let's see. Wolf mouth, bear mouth. Got it. Okay, now let's see what's new in the hats. Is anything new here? Let's I think so, but I don't find anything new. Oh, I see. The new hats are so cool. There's only one thing new in the shoe, or 2. I don't remember. I think it's 3 new things, but not in the guns. Is something new. So now, let's see the new maps. Now these are all the new maps. This, and this. Now first, I'm gonna show you the secret of this map. You can see this map. It's a map of ships, where here are ships. But have you heard of the secret of a car? Yep, I'm gonna show you a secret. That almost every player knows. I mean, only 20% of the players know the secret. Now let's see where is it. First, you need to go to containers. Then you need to go inside by placing portals. After you go inside, keep going, because you're gonna find something new, amazing. I think it was not that one, but we need to find it. Get the product container. Now, let me put it inside and get in the portal. I hope it's just right here. Right, guys? What do you think? It's in one of the containers, I remember. I promise. Seriously, believe me. There's the red container. I think it's in this one. So let's try to get inside. I just went and got inside of it. Let's keep looking. Might be anywhere. I will see you guys in a while after I find. So guys, after finding so much, I finally found the secret car. Here is it. After touching the car, you will get this in your inventory. Now for the next one, we need... Oh man, sorry guys for that. We need to go to the town 6 map. As recently, we need to find the highest peak just there and then select any jet. Yep, any jet. I'm gonna choose this one. If you see any jet's engine moving, then if you shoot it with a laser bazooka or any strong weapon like laser sniper, explode but into pieces. These are one of the special planes Chicken Gun added. And before we go to that, I want to show you a secret thing I got. I don't know if it's a secret. I got a red wall after making a horror map. I was building something until I saw in my inventory there is this red wall. Do you guys have this too? Is this rare or not? Please check your inventory and tell me. So let's quickly go to the highest peak.
Banana.
Shut up! It's dancing. It kinda dance like the gingerbread man. I think I need to... Now, shut up. I burned the banana. Well, that's okay. Now here is the banana. It's dancing. And about the new car. It's a Ford. Yup. It's a Ford. But it's a car in real life. Some people don't know about it. Now let's go to the next secret. Next secret is just in the house in the town map. If you go in, you see from the window, you'll see there's nothing in the house except for water. But if you go inside, you'll see there's nothing. Look from the window, you'll see there's flood, but there is no flood. The window is glitchy. And once you follow what I'm doing, go upstairs and go in a room that I'm going. This one is the most glitched room. You can see how glitchy it is. Even the house is so glitchy. So Chicken Gun, please fix this bug of this house, because it's my favorite map. Now let's get to the next secret. Before I show you the secret, I just wanted to see something. That what's in the cave. Wait, why? Sorry guys. Wait for a sec. Now I want to see what's in the tunnel of Town 3F2. Yep, the tunnel. If you guys don't know, by the way, this is a hiding area, and whose cycle is here? None of us know. I think my Wi-Fi is not good, but what's in that tunnel, I'm gonna check today. So, if you guys need to check in the tunnel, you don't need to now, because I am gonna. Portals, I think they might work. Let's go and see. So this tunnel is blocked for some reason. Now let's see the next secret. By the way, next secret is impossible to find. It's an empty 2 map. There's a hidden car there. It's impossible to find. So I think that's all the secrets I can show you. Wait, there's one more secret. Let's see. I think this is the last one of the video. If you guys don't know, there's a hidden thing in the Town 3F2 map. I think I'm glitching too much. let's find it. Before I show you, it's a funny secret. It should be near here. I guess I'm not sure where was it, but I can show you in a video, but not in mine. If you guys want to see it, then follow my steps because I cannot find it. Step 1, go to YouTube. Step 2 is search something. Search chicken gun. Now go to a video like this. Here you will see the secret, which I cannot find. But I can find this one. As you can see on this. Now let me try to find this.
Hey, I think वो clean वाला house के पास है.
It's too much glitchy, so I need you guys. I think I can't find it, but bye bye guys. See you in the next video.